Got it? It's been here. Watch the tree on top. You probably could just drag that one in, right? Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's it. Oh, that's a good one, man.
Dang.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Let it eat real good. There you go. You know what I mean? You don't have time for your breakfast, dude. Big one, huh? You got
As big as that.
oh yeah.
Either that or stuck in some leaves.
He's coming. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Yeah, that's number 2 already. Shit. All you need is 8 more, Titus. Fishing hole. Alright, Titus, I'll make sure you won't miss this one, man. Ain't happening anymore. Dude, you're just killing it right here, man. You got it. Yes! I know we're missing this one. Fucking man, that's the fishing hole. Hey, you ain't got time for nothing. Oh, you got the drag on, right? Oh yeah, I can hear it. Oh yeah, yeah. Listen to that drag run. Ooh. Keep him to the right, let it off that weed.
Either I'm stuck or this thing's huge, dude.
Is it coming?
I don't know, man.
No, that's it, man. It's coming. It was hella running, dude. Yeah, make sure the drag is
Either
on.
it's freaking huge or I'm stuck on something.
Nah, you ain't stuck on none, dude.
You sure, man?
Man, come on, that was a
I'm
fish.
pretty sure I'm stuck, dude.
That was a fish, man. You probably bringing the fish with you.
The fish with a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
'Cause this thing is not coming.
Let,
It's just
let it.
Oh no, this thing is huge.
Yeah, it's still stuck, dude. Keep him to the right. Watch out for the pool.
I think it's a fish.
It's gotta be.
No, man.
No, it's gotta be, dude. Look how he's moving.
Oh yeah.
It is, dude.
Oh, shit. Hey, pull in those other fish. A little bit slower. There you.
You got the drag on. Oh man, this one better be a
I don't
10.
know if this is a fish, man. It might be stuck.
Is it coming?
It's coming, but
Oh, I know. It's gotta be a fish.
oh my gosh. I think it's stuck with a bunch of other stuff though.
Well,
It can't be this big. This
Well,
is
watch it, dude.
sturgeon size, man.
No.
Look at my pole, dude. My
Oh,
arms-
yeah.
Oh,
I saw it. That sucker is so. That is pretty big, dude, Titus.
freaking annoying.
Ooh, right behind the weed too.
Pat, you better get this, man.
Keep him to the other side of it. Okay, okay. Oh, he's going over the other line. No, no, he's good, he's good.
You have to get this.
I got it, I got it. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, shoot.
That's a good size.
Oh, it ain't that big, bro.
No, it is hella big. Is my neck gonna break?
Dad, bring it to shore. Don't keep it up before.
I had to get my shoe wet on this one. That's hella good, dude. That is bad, man. Look at all that weed you pick with you, though. All right, here.
I don't want to put it down here. I want to make sure this thing ain't flopping into the water.
Right there, dude, right there.
Which side you pick? This side or this side?
This side, this side. Oh, I told you. Ooh. Might be bigger than you. I'm sorry, dude. It might be bigger than yours.
Hey, bro.
Same thing, huh? That sucker might be bigger than yours.
It's right there. That's it right there. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, we have to get a picture of that one, man.
There, look at this.
Damn. Oh my goodness, yours.
No, it's not the
yours is
same.
bigger. Look, it's longer. It's
Yours
longer.
fatter though. Yours fatter.
Hey, wait.
Reel this one in.
That's 12 pounds right there.
I know, together, huh?
I know.
Jeez. I didn't even have time to set my camera.